So I'm sure you do receive messages like this. So in today's video, we're going to find out if these things do work, and we're going to find out if they work at all, if they're dangerous, and everything else you need to know. Before I continue, I would like you to know about the ultimate sports betting experience with Precautions, which is the leading sports betting platform in Zambia. So they're actually proud to offer a seamless integration of cryptocurrency deposits and withdrawals, thereby making your betting journey more convenient and secure than ever before. So sign up now and you can enjoy a generous welcome bonus of up to 2,200 kwacha, which can actually give your bets an incredible boost from the very start. So to make use of this opportunity, be sure to use the referral code KITHORENS when you sign up. So with the range of sports events and games to choose from and the flexibility of cryptocurrency transactions, Precautions actually ensures that the betting experience is not only thrilling but also rewarding. Don't miss out on the action. Join now and elevate your sports betting game with Precautions. So first things first, what are these things? Okay, why are they there in the first place? So these things, they come in different ways, but they're mainly about actually offering you something for free. So it's either they're going to give you airtime for free, okay, bundles for free, free money, free goods, or free products, and so on. And these type of things have been going on around for the past 6 years. I think the first time I came across this is when I finished school. That was like 2017. Yeah, and up to now, people are still forwarding these links. Okay, so as for me, I've reached a stage whereby, like, I'm able to know if a website is legit or not just by looking at the link without even having to visit it. So some of you who might not know how to do that, okay, will end up going to waste time on something which does not even work. But in this video, by the end of this video, you're going to be able to know, okay, just by looking at the link, you'll be able to know that this website is fake, and you want to be able to waste your time on something which is not actually going to work or help you. So how do I know? Okay, what makes me know that this link is real, this one is fake, this one works, and this one does not work? Well, watch this video to the end and we're going to find out. So first things first, let's first check. Let's start with the first link above here for Zesco Independence Day. So let's try to read the message together. So let me just head over to my WhatsApp. So the first message is here. It's saying, Zesco Independence Day celebration offer. Okay, so today is actually the 23rd of October, and tomorrow is actually 24th, Zambian Independence Day. Okay, and if you're going to receive a message like this, you're going to be happy and you're going to think like, no, this is real because actually tomorrow is Independence Day, and for Zesco to give out units actually sounds like a good reason and a good thing. So let's read more. Zesco has started offering free 59 units to customers to celebrate Zambia independence in 24th of October 2023. Don't miss this incredible offer from Zesco. Click below to get. So based on what I've from reading right now, have you noticed any red flag? Well, yes, I have. First things first, the entire paragraph, okay, seems wrong. Like the English is really poor. So that's the first red flag I've seen. Then here it's saying click below to get. Now, pay attention to the link. So the link is zesco.zm.govtonline.site. Okay. So how do I know that this is a real link and this is not a real link? First of all, you need to ask yourself, does Zesco have a website? Okay. How do we know if Zesco has a website? Simply go in Google and search for Zesco. If Zesco has got a website, it should give us a link. Well, yes, Zesco has got a website, and if you pay attention closely, the Zesco website is zesco.co.zm. But if we go back to WhatsApp, we're going to find that the link which we are seeing here and the link of the main Zesco website are different. So that's enough proof to tell you that this is fake and you should not go through it. Okay. The other way of knowing is simply contact Zesco on Facebook, send them this link and ask them if they're giving any independence celebration offers. Okay, and they're going to tell you whether it's true or not. This way you're going to prevent yourself from wasting time. But you're not just only preventing yourself from wasting time, you're also actually protecting yourself from getting hacked or future scams. Let me ask you a question. Like, haven't you wondered where like the scammers get our numbers from? I'm sure you do receive messages like asking you, no, send this money, use this line to do this, use this line, or people from nowhere calling you, telling you to reverse the money they did not send. Like, have you ever wondered why those people get our numbers from? Well, there are a lot of theories on how those people end up having our numbers, where they get them, and so on, of which I won't talk about them because I don't have proof for that. But I think this might be a good reason because usually when it comes to free things, a lot of Zambians are culprits or they are vulnerable for that. So actually, giving out free things, like people do really like free things. So if you're giving out something for free, people are going to do anything just to get something for free. Okay, and people are willing to do anything for free. But there's only one rule you should always remember. Okay, and the rule is that if something is free, then you are the product. Okay, let me repeat that again. So if something is free, then you are the product. So what do I mean by that? So if I provide a service and I'm not requesting you to pay me, okay, so in some way I'm going to make money even if you don't pay me. I can give an example of Google, right? So to create a Google account is free. You'll be able to access Gmail. Okay, Google even gives you free 15 GB. Can store your photos online. But Google spends money to store your photos on their drives. But why does Google offer you those things for free? Okay, well, Google is going to make money off you either way. How is Google going to make money off you? Well, if let us say, for example, use YouTube. If you go on YouTube, watch some videos, click on adverts, well, YouTube is going to receive money because there are people who are paying YouTube to advertise their things. So if you click on those adverts, YouTube or Google is going to make money either way. So if something is free, then you're the product, okay, the company is going to make money in some ways. Okay. So by the end of this video, we're going to find out how these websites actually make money in scamming you. Okay. But how do I know all this? Well, I'm a web designer, I'm a blogger, I've got a website, so I understand how websites work. So keep on watching. So let's click on this same link, which is fake, because we've already proved that the link is fake. So I'm going to copy this link, okay, and I'm going to open it in incognito tab, just to be safe. So look at the website first of all. If you compare the website to the original Zesco website, you can see the Zesco website looks professional and it's nice, and it has got all those important pages like where to find them, like the contact us page. Okay, you can find all the information. But when you go to the fake website, just look how ugly it is, and it has got a fake Facebook comments. Okay, like when I click on comment, nothing works. I can't comment on this. If I click here and write anything, right click enter, nothing's happening. So this is all fake. So these again are all fake comments. The other thing you can do is, so now it's saying your application for Zesco free 30 quarter units. So let's try to click on the link. We'll see what information they're requesting from us. So by the way, I'm going to enter in fake information. I'm not going to use any real information about me. So I'm clicking on continue. Okay, so it's saying enter your meter number. Okay, I think why would you share your meter number? So let me just enter in a random number. Then user type, I'm going to say household. Then I'm going to click on send. Okay. So now it's saying you're eligible to receive 30 quarter worth of units from Zesco. It's saying share it with 5 groups or 15 friends on WhatsApp. Click the share icon below. You'll be redirected automatically to claim the unit. Share now. So when I click on share now, then I open to WhatsApp. Okay, again share. Okay, so something is wrong. Possibly calculated. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, so this is how this work. So for this one, they're only collecting your Zesco unit number. But why are they collecting your Zesco unit number? They did not ask for phone number or even your email. Okay, but before I explain further, let's try the other link as well. So the other link is this one here. It's another independence offer, but this one is for data where they're giving 25 GB free. So there's for, let's check it out. Let's see the first link for data. I'm going to open it in incognito tab. So even this website just looks the same as the one I'm from checking out. Like everything just seems the same. Okay, so now for this one, they're actually asking for your phone number. Okay, so let me enter in a fake number again. Okay, so that's the fake number that I don't own. Yeah, I don't know. I think, okay, so I've entered the number, then it's saying choose network. So let us choose Airtel, which is 25 GB plus 100 kwacha Airtime. Okay, but before I continue again, if you look at the comments here, you can see that all these names, they don't sound Zambian. So which means the people who are creating these websites are not even Zambians. Okay, this is all fake. Even when you try to comment here, this is fake. This is fake. I can't even comment. I can't even share my experience. Okay, and this is enough proof that this website is fake and you should not proceed. So let's click on proceed. So even the same websites, they're going to ask or ask you to share it to groups and so on. Okay, yeah, I was right. So it's saying share to 5 groups or 15 friends. Okay, so all these things, they operate in the same way. Now let me explain, why are they asking you to share? What are they benefiting? What are they getting? Okay, so that's the real question. What are they getting from all of this? So okay, so now let me explain. So the thing about the websites, first of all, let me explain about how do websites make money. So the okay, not really make money. First of all, this type of websites only have got two goals. So the first goal is to make money. Okay, is to make money for themselves. The second goal that these websites have is to steal your information. So we don't know what they do with this information, okay, and we can never know until it's too late. So it's either they're going to make money for themselves or they're going to steal the information. So let me first explain the first one. How are they going to make money? So the thing is, I also have got a website. It's actually a blog. I do write posts on how to make money, how to do these things and this, how to do this, how to do this. Okay. And how do I make money from my website? Well, I applied for Google AdSense. So Google AdSense is a platform by Google that lets you uh, Google place adverts on your website. So here's what happens. If people visit my website and they find an advert, they click on it, okay, I'm going to earn money when they click on that advert. So the more people I get to my website, clicking on adverts, reading my post, the more money I make. So this applies to them. So as for them, they're not writing any content. They're just greedy and they want to make money as fast as possible. But what do they do? And they need traffic. So what do they do? Okay, they use something which they know, uh, something that actually is going to work. So the thing is, people like free things, and if you promise people free things, they want to do whatever it takes for them to get things for free. So they create something like a fake free 25 GB data, fake gifts, just to make you visit the link. But not only visit the link, also you end up sharing it. So it's possible this website will get millions of views because there are a lot of people who want bundles, people want airtime, and people are sharing to 15. So let's imagine one person is sharing to 15 people. So how many views would they get if 20,000 people shared the same link? So that's a lot of views. Okay, and that's a lot of money. So this is how, okay, they can actually make money. The other way is actually stealing your information. When they steal the information, we don't know what they're going to do with it. It's either they're going to sell it or maybe even use it for scamming you back later. Okay, so we never know. So this is how these websites work. So to summarize, everything that is free. In fact, try by all means to avoid things that are free. Try to work hard for something, avoid anything that is free. Okay, I know. Okay, so don't get me wrong. Yes, there are some times whereby companies may offer you free things, but you need to be careful. Like, how do I know that this is real and fake? So I shared ways. First of all, compare the website with the real website. Let us say, as for example, Zesco is giving free money, right? Compare the website if it's the same as the Zesco website. If you're not able to compare, contact them, ask them about the promotion if it's real. Okay. So I think this is just basic common sense. For example, why would the company give out free things? Okay, if they're actually giving out free things, they would mention in newspapers or news. But people these days, when they receive this link, they click and share without even researching. Like, nothing is entirely free these days. And if it's free, then you are the product. So they're going to make money off you. Yeah. So again, this does not mean that you should avoid Google because they make money off you. Well, no. Okay, you can trust Google. Google is a big company. Yeah, it's actually better because if you guys started paying for Google, I think no one of you would have had the Google account. Okay. So the Google account I have, but for me, I actually pay for it. Yeah, actually I pay for it. I don't use the free Google account that all of you use. So I hope this video makes sense, and I hope you've understood about how these websites work. So if you're interested in learning how to make money the legit way, the real way, without having to worry about getting scammed, getting your details stolen, okay, I actually have got some courses. Okay, I've got some courses that can actually help you make money online in Zambia. So, for example, how to create a PayPal account. If you need a PayPal account that can help you send, receive, and withdraw in Zambia, this course actually does teach you, and it's only 350 kwacha. I also have got the affiliate marketing course, is 350 kwacha. I also have got a course on how to start your own crypto business in Zambia, is 600 kwacha. And finally, we got the forex course, which is 2000 kwacha, and the cheapest course is for 150 kwacha, which teaches you how to buy things from China, South Africa, UK, and ship to Zambia and resell. So contact me if you need any of these courses. So the good part about my courses is that I don't teach on WhatsApp like what other people do. That's just bad. Okay, WhatsApp is meant for chatting, not teaching people. Okay, I don't teach in groups. I don't do that. Okay, so the thing is, as I said, I'm a web designer. So this is my e-learning platform. So what's that? Well, it's a platform where you simply pay, get access to the course, and you learn from the website. So you're able to learn at your own time, okay, learn at your own speed, and you're able to do everything online. All you need is just a phone or a smartphone, and simply log in and start learning from there. So once you pay, you get instant access. You don't have to wait for me to come and teach you and all that stuff. Yeah. So, but for now, this is Keith. I hope this video has made sense. So, I think now that I've made this video, I think no one of you should ever forward me that link telling me to get these free things which never work at all.